Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Cadillac SRX key fob. You do not need any tools, but you do need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. So what you want to do is press right here on this button and remove your mechanical key. Now take your mechanical key and you want to insert it in the hole it just came out of, about that much, and you're going to want to pry. Now these cases are very delicate, so you don't want to be super aggressive. So just pry kind of like that. You can see how far in I am. You can use your fingers to just pry the cases apart. Now you can either use a screwdriver here or just pull out the entire assembly. Take your old battery out. Place the new battery positive side facing downward, like that. Clip this back together. Make sure you line these up properly. Give it a good squeeze. Put your key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.